children, in this video we will learn about factors and multiples. Factors and multiples. Factors and multiples, although they are different, but they both involve multiplication. What are factors? Factors are what we can multiply to get the number, which means if we multiply any two numbers and get a product, these numbers are called the factors of that product. What are multiples? Multiples are the product obtained by multiplying the number by any other number, which means if we multiply any two numbers and we get a product, so the product is the multiple of both the numbers, as shown in this figure. 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20. So 20 is the multiple of 4 and 5, and 5 and 4 are factors of 20. Let's understand more about factors and multiples. Factors. 1 into 6 is equal to 6. Here 1 and 6 are factors of 6. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So 2 and 3 are also the factors of 6. Multiples. 0 into 6 is equal to 0. So 0 is the multiple of 6. 1 into 6 is equal to 6. So 6 is the multiple of 6. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. So 12 is the multiple of 6, and so on. In this figure we can see 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So 2 and 3 are factors of 6, and 6 is the multiple of 2 and 3. Let's have a look on factors and multiples using number line. Here is a number line which shows the factors and the multiples of number 6. Factors. 1 into 6 is equal to 6. So 1 and 6 are factors of 6. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So 2 and 3 are factors of 6. On the number line, all the factors of 6 are marked in green color. We can see that all the factors are either smaller or equal to the given number. That is 1, 2, 3 are the smaller factor than the number, and 6 is equal to the given number. Multiples. 0 into 6 is equal to 0. So 0 is the multiple of 6. 1 into 6 is equal to 6. So 6 is the multiple of 6. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. So 12 is the multiple of 6. 3 into 6 is equal to 18. So 18 is the multiple of 6, and so on. We can see the numbers marked on in brown color are the multiples of 6, that are 0, 6, 12, 18, and so on. This shows that factors are always smaller than or equal to the number, and a non-zero multiple of a number is always equal to or greater than the number. Another way to understand factors. For multiplication statement 2 into 3 is equal to 6, there are two division statements, like 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3, where r is equal to 0. R here indicates the remainder. 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2 with remainder 0, which means both the factors of 6, that are 2 and 3, divides 6 exactly, leaving a remainder 0. So a factor is a number that exactly divides the other number with a remainder 0. For example, 12 divided by 1 is equal to 12, where remainder is equal to 0. 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6, where remainder is equal to 0. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4, with remainder 0. 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3, with remainder 0. 12 divided by 5 is equal to 2, with remainder 2. 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2, with remainder 0. 12 divided by 7 is equal to 1, with remainder 5. 12 divided by 8 is equal to 1, with remainder 4. 12 divided by 9 is equal to 1, remainder 3. 12 divided by 10 is equal to 1, with remainder 2. 12 divided by 11 is equal to 1, with remainder 1. 12 divided by 12 is equal to 1, with remainder 0. And 12 is not divisible by 13, which means a factor can never be greater than the number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the factors of 12 as they leave the remainder 0. And 5, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 are not the factors of 12 as they leave a non-zero remainder. How to find factors of a number? Method 1, Rainbow method. Find all the factors of 20. To find the factors of 20, we just have to make the multiplication statements for 20 starting from 1. As 1 into 20 is equal to 20, so 1 and 20 are the factors of 20. 2 into 10 is equal to 20, so 2 and 10 are the factors of 20. 3 does not make the multiplication statement for 20 as 20 is not the multiple of 3. So we will leave it and move ahead. 4 into 5 is equal to 20, so 4 and 5 are the factors of 20. 5 into 4 is equal to 20, but 5 is already found as the factor of 20, so we will stop here. And we get all the factors of 20. That are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Method 2, Necklace method. The factors of 48. 1 into 48 is equal to 48. 2 into 24 is equal to 48. 3 into 16 is equal to 48. 4 into 12 is equal to 48. But 5 does not make a multiplication statement for 48, so we will leave it. 6 into 8 is also equal to 48. 7 does not make a multiplication statement for 48, so we will move ahead. That is 8 into 6 is equal to 48. But 8 is already found as a factor, so we will stop here. And we found all the factors of 48. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. Factors of a number are finite. Means we can find all the factors of a number and count them. How to find multiples of a number? We can find the multiples of a number by multiplying it by any counting number. For example, multiples of 5 are 5 into 1 is equal to 5. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. 5 into 3 is equal to 15. 5 into 4 is equal to 20. 5 into 5 is equal to 25, and so on. First 5 multiples of 5 are shown here, but we can find any number of multiples. So, multiples of a number are infinite, that is unlimited. There are some activities for you. Find first 5 non-zero multiples of 7, 12, 9. Non-zero multiples means we have to find out the first, second, third and so on multiples of the number. Write 15th multiple of 5. Find all the factors of number of days in the month of February and September using rainbow method and necklace method. Find factors of number which is third multiple of date of independence. Write 6th multiple of your date of birth. Points to remember. A factor is a number that exactly divides the other number without leaving a remainder. A multiple of a number is the product obtained after multiplying it with itself or any other number. Factors of a number are finite, that means we can find all the factors of a number. Multiples of a number are infinite, that means they go on continuously. Factor is always smaller than or equal to the number. Multiples are always equal to or greater than the number.